Welcome to the tree identification video for the Let's Talk Science Sunprint activity.
In this video, we will learn to identify some tree species common in Northern Ontario. Using this information, you'll be able to identify leaves and branches for use with the sunprint activity. We will begin with conifers and move on to broadleaf trees.
Black spruce are well adapted to grow in a wide variety of habitats, including locations where other trees struggle, such as bogs. Spruce are important for the pulpwood and lumber industries. They are commonly planted in reforestation programs.
To identify spruce, look for coniferous evergreen needles. The needles are stiff and four-sided, arranged individually in a spiral around the branch, growing in all directions. The balsam fir does not need much sunlight to survive. When taller trees die, balsam fir are ready to dominate the forest. Often used as Christmas trees, balsam fir hold onto their needles longer than other conifers, such as spruce.
To identify balsam fir, look for coniferous evergreen needles. The needles are flat with two faint white stripes on the underside. A balsam fir is two-ranked, with the needles pointing out from the sides of the branch. Pines are a large group of conifers, each with distinct features. White pine are known for growing straight and tall. The British Royal Navy used them as masts on their warships. Jack pine cones are serotinous. They open under intense heat like that of a fire. Jack pine are one of the first trees to grow following a fire.
Common to pines are certain features. Look for coniferous evergreen needles in bundles of 2 to 5. The needles of different pines vary in length, but are longer than those of spruce and balsam fir. Tamarack are deciduous conifers. This means they lose their needles during the winter and regrow them in the spring.
To identify tamarack, look for short needles arranged in circular clusters. Cedar wood, when dry, is resistant to decay. For this reason, many canoes are made using strips of cedar.
To identify cedar, look for evergreen coniferous scales that wrap around flattened twigs and grow in a fan shape. Indigenous people used the bark of the birch tree to make canoes, a practice which was later adopted by the voyageurs during the fur trade. It has the ability to stump sprout, a form of vegetative reproduction that allows new trees to grow from the stump of an old tree.
To identify a paper birch, look for a broad deciduous leaf arranged alternately. The leaves are oval or triangular with a pointed tip and a serrated edge. On mature trees, the bark will peel into paper-like sheets.
Poplar are a diverse group of trees with similar features. Poplar are common in both urban and forest environments, with cultivated species often seen in towns and cities.
To identify balsam poplar, look for broad deciduous leaves that are oval in shape with a waxy upper surface. Aspen has the ability to reproduce vegetatively, growing new tree trunks from existing roots. The largest organism on Earth is considered to be one of these aspen colonies, known as Pando. Because of the root sprouts and their fast-growing nature, aspens are one of the first trees to grow back following a disturbance, such as a fire.
To identify aspen, look for broad deciduous leaves which are small and round to oval in shape. The leaves appear to tremble or flutter in even mild wind. The bark of the aspen is white on young trees and turns gray with maturity.